Tired of your door sounding like something out of a horror movie? Well, today I have the solution to fix your creaky horror movie door. You're just gonna need a few things. Like a punch. You could use a nail, anything that's about that diameter. A hammer, screwdriver, and just some grease. This is multi-purpose lithium grease. Oh, I completely forgot. I need like a applicator for the grease. Fortunately, I have my finger or a toothpick or something. Or you can get like a cotton swab or something like that. Anyway, here, so you can shut the door if you want. And then I'm just gonna show you guys. Set up my camera over here. Okay, so let's say this doorknob right here, okay? Okay, so what you want to do is come up from underneath like this, and you want to tap, just tap it like once, a couple times. Okay, until you see the pin coming up here. That's what you want. Okay, now once you get it going, it goes a little bit easier. If you want, you can take a bigger screwdriver, come up under here. If it's coming out hard, sometimes you can grab it with your hand and pull it out. Okay, now once you get it out of there, you have your little thing there. Okay, so then all you really want to do is take your thing, take your grease here. Let me back you up here a little bit. Okay, and I'm just gonna get a little piece of toilet paper there. Get some grease on there from here. Then I'm just gonna put that on pretty liberally. You could probably clean this first if you wanted to, but not a big deal. So applying the grease decently liberally, and then yeah, okay, so have it pretty well greased up, and then you just back to the hinge over there. Just put it in the top. Okay, and just kind of work it down there. It should be it should go in pretty easily. And now, that's all there is to it. Once you do that to all three of the hinges, which I'm going to do, I've already shown you how to do the one. I'm going to do the other two quickly, and then I will show you if our door is still acting like something out of a horror movie. Okay, we'll be back, and I will give you a look-see here. Okay, bye. All right, everyone, we're back. So I did the other two hinges there. Same technique, and now the moment of truth. I have not tested this, so we're looking for this creepy. No, I haven't even worked it in a little bit. If it first, it's making the creepy haunted house door noise again. Just work the hinges by moving the door back and forth. But as you can hear, it has fixed it completely. Not a single sound. So there. That's how you fix the creepy haunted house hinge sound on your doors. Of course, unless you like that sound, it might be valuable for like your front door to make that sound. So if you don't have an alarm on your house or whatever, someone breaks in, that could give you kind of a heads up that someone's coming into your house or something like that. But for most purposes and reasons that I can think of, it's good to have quiet hinges. So, especially if on a bathroom door where you get up in the middle of the night, you don't want to wake the rest of the family up, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. I hope this helped you guys out there. Really simple, really easy, really quick. So this took me about 10 minutes total. One tip I will put out there. it's a little bit messy. So I would recommend like some paper towels to clean off the pin once you get it out. And then a little bit of crud fell on the floor. I think it's kind of some rust from the pin because it wasn't lubricated that well. So vacuum cleaner. And then I would say if you have some gloves for your hands, wear those. Just so you don't get the grease and stuff on your hands because a little bit difficult to get off. I think just dish soap will get it off of there. Yeah, it cuts through the grease, right? Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that helped. This grease is really easy to come by. You can get it at most hardware stores, car part stores, stuff like that. Okay, so thanks for watching, everyone. You have a great day out there. Hope that helped. Okay, bye.